Welcome to Haoyang International. We are a professional automotive education solution provider, specializing in the research, development, manufacturing, and global service of automotive training equipment. With years of experience in automotive vocational education, Haoyang International provides complete training solutions for universities, vocational colleges, and technical training centers around the world. Innovation is the driving force behind the Haoyang International. We continuously invest in research and development, creating advanced automotive training systems based on real vehicle technologies. With independent intellectual property rights, patented technologies, and professional technical achievements, we provide innovative solutions for modern automotive education. Our product portfolio covers traditional vehicle training equipment, new energy vehicle training systems, intelligent connected vehicle platforms, and automotive diagnostic solutions. Through practical training, students can understand vehicle structures, electronic systems, and advanced automotive technologies. Today, Haoyang International is expanding cooperation with partners worldwide. We are committed to bringing a quality automotive education solutions from China to global markets.